Hey everyone, so I wanted to hop on and do a new Lipsense to me. It is called Parline Rose. And I have seen this in so many ways because right now, if you use my link and sign up at the checkout button or checkout page, right before you check out, there's a little box. It gives you 10% off all your purchases. Now, it is $10 to sign up, but if you spend $100, you get free shipping, free samples, and your products. And if you click that little box and you spend $100 until July 30th, 2022, till Saturday, you will get a choice of Lipsense, and this color is one of them. If you click that box at checkout and you spend $100, and you will get a free Lipsense, but it will bring your total down to $90. That is amazing. Now, by you clicking that box, I get credit. But if you spend $100 within a month or right away, you get free shipping, but you need to click that box also. Now, you have to spend, if you don't want the free Lipsense and you're seeing this afterwards, if you click that box and you spend $100, it's going to be $110. It taxes it on. I don't know why. But if you want to know more about it, please comment down below or send me a direct message over on my Instagram account at redesign16. There's a link in my YouTube about page. It's a great deal because instead of $100, it's only $90, and that discount comes in handy because if Synergens is having a sale on Lipsense for 15% off, you sign up and use my link and sign up, click that box, you get an extra 10% off, so that's a total of 25% off. So if you're new to Lipsense, you need a color, you need a gloss, and an oops remover. The gloss helps seal it in all together. So, and Lipsense, I would rather apply it once and go throughout my day, drink coffee, eat food, and not retouch it up. It bonds to your lips, and with the gloss, it just bonds it even more and seals it in. So what you want to do before you use this, you want to shake it up every single time. If it's a brand new tube, you want to shake it. If you've used it 10 times, you want to shake it. This is a matte. So we have matte Lipsense, we have shimmers, and we have frosties. So, and also you want to get a damp rag and wipe off all your lips so that there's no makeup and no food, and you want to pat them dry. Lipsense lasts from 4 to 18 hours. It is kiss-proof, smudge-proof, water-resistant, lead-free, wax-free, cruelty-free, vegan-free, lead-free. I don't know if I said that. Wax-free, lead-free. It's gluten-free and made in the U.S. So, you want to do 3 thin layers, and your lips cannot touch when you're applying it, but you can go back and fix it up. Once it's dry with each layer, after the 3rd layer, you want to apply your glossy gloss. Now, you don't have to go in the same direction that you started with the Lipsense, but you do when you apply. So this isn't even open, sealed. So you want to shake it for about 30 seconds. I already shook it off camera and I already wiped off my lips twice to show you guys. And I just did a very simple eye look today. Like, I don't have much time these days for makeup. Oh boy. There goes that snap. Oh, love that snap. So, you want to wipe off the wand every time you apply it. So here's layer 1. And you just want to apply it. Don't go back and forth because you're going to rub off color. Okay, there's layer 1. And I go in and I do my mascara, our Lipsense mascara, waterproof, in between. I need to open up my new one. Okay, make sure it's dry to touch, not tacky. Layer 2. This is like super pretty, almost like pink champagne without the shimmer. Okay, layer 1, or layer 2. Here's layer 2. Super pretty. Okay. Make sure it's dry to touch. So I'm gonna go back in to layer 2. Okay. Now, is it dry now? No, still a little tacky. Takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, it's dry. This is layer 3. Oh. Super pretty. Okay. There's layer 3. Wait for it to dry. And then I was gonna come back, but I guess I'll stay. This is the perfect shade. You can wear it with multiple things. Very neutral. A little tacky, so. I don't think I'm gonna get to do my hair again today, but that's okay. And yes, I was staying on shirt. I'm gonna change it. Gloss. Dry. Nothing on my wand. If it feels kind of tacky, add more gloss. Okay. Rub them together. And there you go. Nothing on my hand. Nothing. The only thing that comes off is the glossy gloss. And one trick that I do is I gloss before I eat breakfast or lunch or dinner, or if I'm going out for coffee or anything, I gloss to keep it long lasting too. And all of our Lipsense lip glosses, you can pat it off with one to seal, and you could add one of our Lipsense lip glosses, so to change the color. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty. I really like it. I was kind of skeptical of this color for a long time, and I'm glad I hopped on and showed you guys. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before I get started on this new Lipsense application to me, it's called Parline Rose. Please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it.